Welcome to WPI's Drupal 9 training videos. In this video, I will show you how to find and replace a file. After you log in, next to your username in the top menu bar, you'll see the shortcuts bar. If you click on shortcuts and then click on file search, it'll bring you to a screen where you can search for your files. You can search by file name, you can search by file type, whether it's published or unpublished, or by your username. So once you've located your file, click the edit button in the far right hand corner underneath operations. Note that if you can only edit your own files. So if you are not the author of this file, you would not be able to edit it. You would not have this option. So when I click edit, I can see my document and I have an option here to replace the file. Anytime you need to update a document or a photo, it's important that you replace the file instead of uploading a new one. The benefits to doing this are that one, Drupal will replace all occurrences of the file throughout the website, so you don't manually have to update all of them. And two, old versions of the files will not be accessible via the search engines. So click Browse and navigate to where your file is located. For naming convention, we recommend that you keep file names short, that you use keywords in your file names, that you replace spaces with dashes, as is shown here, health-insurance-form. You avoid special characters, and you do not add dates and versions as shown in this version of the file name, which is something that we do not recommend. So select the file name and click Open. Now we have two options. If you leave the box checked to overwrite the original file name, the original file name is kept and the contents are replaced with the new file. If you uncheck this, then it will use the file name of the replacement file. Either way, the Drupal will update the contents of the file on the website, any place that it's located. So I'm going to uncheck overwrite the original file in this case and click Save. And now you can see it changed the name of the file to the health insurance form. I chose this one because it was a more meaningful name with the keywords and it was properly formatted. And now any place on the website where my test form was located, the new version of the form will be accessible. That's all there is to it. To learn more about editing your website in Drupal 9, please see one of our other short training videos.